All right, hello, this is Lane with Anchorage Retreat Center, and this is Sandpiper, our number 6 cottage. It is right on the water. You have your own little place to eat, little deck, cool chair. So let's go inside. First thing, you got an awesome view of the water. Little chair to chill, read a book. You have cable, Wi-Fi, all that stuff. This is the first bedroom. And it also has a view of the water. There's a queen size bed. Then you come out, we have our futon. And then our living area. We got a little seagull. We have our guidebook, our little book that we want you to put in your memories. Here's your kitchen. Coffee, microwave, oven. We'll go to the bathroom last. So this is the second bedroom. It is also a queen. And then the bathroom. Decent sized shower. Okay, you have your soap, your shampoo. Smile. And then the toilet. Alright, so this is, again, cottage number 6, Sandpiper, for Anchorage Retreat Center in Oscoda, Michigan.